So we got the ESC2 to Dean's plug adapter from Amazon. And we also got a little rocket fan, the 25mm. It's supposed to fit inside this stock location. But I think I'm gonna put it on top of the heat sink if it fits with the body on. I'm gonna check that out. And that's the 2200 milliamp 50C Z's battery. It comes with the Dean's plug, but they have different plugs available on Amazon. So let's put these on, see how it goes along. All right, so we got our Dean's plug adapter to the EC2, IC2. And then we did upgrade our fan from the electronics in the stock location. I might move it over here to the motor or add one to the motor right here and just solder it in there. But I did have to change the plug on the fan, on the rocket fan. I just cut the wires off of the original fan and soldered them onto the new one. And let's see how this works. Thing's way more stronger than the factory fan. We are on 3S now. You can hear it now. Before you couldn't hear this fan. On the stock one, that thing's so weak. So now you guys could hear that fan. That thing's pretty strong. It's a 32,000 RPM rocket, 25mm from Amazon. They're like 16 bucks. They come with a just plug instead of the servo plug, so you gotta just cut that wire off and solder it. Get the most wire you can, in case if you want to put it on your motor directly, then it'll reach for sure. But we're on 3S now. Let's see what this thing do. So we're on 3S. Let's see how this thing does. Oh yeah, I can tell the difference for sure. See what this thing does. This thing want to pull to the right. This might be too much on 3S. thing wants to wheelie. Spinning out. Still pulling. Faster for sure. Get all that rooster tail. I know what I need to do. I gotta adjust the shocks. That's what's making it turn around. When I'm trying to go straight, it's cut to the left or to the right a little bit, see? It's a 2200 milliamp battery, 50C. It's a little shorty, Z from Amazon. They come in pairs, I think, for 50 bucks. It spins out. So I think it just needs I just need to tune the shot. See how it cuts to the right. Now it's cutting to the left. Popping wheelies on that ass. This thing is a beast on 3S, I'll say that. All right, Jim. All right, let's cut this off. Check temps. 114, 134. Still getting hot. ESC is at 123. I'm thinking that fan in that location doesn't work too well, so I'm gonna relocate it on top of the motor. Rocket don't stop it. Rocket don't stop. We got the rocket fan on the motor. I like it better directly on the motor than just sitting in between the electronics there where they originally put it. That's the only flaw I would say that this has. I mean, at least they put a fan in there, but that little fan wasn't doing jack. So Let's see what the temps look like now with the fan there. Also, I just checked the spacing on my threads here on my shocks, and one was more threaded in than the other. So I put these at 4mm on the back and 2mm on the front. And what I used to measure the front is I just grabbed a 2mm driver and just used it as a as a gauge. Body does fit on there with the fan. As you can hear, the fan is moving freely. So let's go test it out real quick. One more time, with the fan relocated on top of the motor instead of in the stock location. It is starting to rain out here, so let's get it in real quick. Turn down the steering rate because it just wants to spin out. You barely touch the steering. I did adjust the shocks, so I think that's going to help it. Still pulling to the right a little, or the left, I should say. Now it's pulling to the right. Now it's pulling to the left again. Still pulling. Might have to put in some thicker shock fluid. I've seen somebody else do that. You can't go on 3S full trigger on this thing. It wants to pull quick. Steering rate, maybe that will help. Oh yeah, it's going straight now. Oh yeah, it's going straighter now. Let's go a little bit further. Full speed there. 3S. Almost. Steering rate too low. Get this cat up out of here. See ya. They don't belong over here. They like to shit in my yard and stuff. I think battery's getting low. Doesn't feel as fast. Oh, you know what, guys? I had this shit on 75. Anyway, the battery's dying. So let's bring it in and check the temp. We got it in the house. Let's cut this out real quick. Got it in the house. So now we're gonna check the temps. Oh, you see that, guys? 91 with the fan on top of the motor. ESC 111. That's what I'm talking about. Putting the fan on top of the motor made a big difference. Big difference. Look at these tires, guys. We just got this thing. Gonna have to get some new tires for it already. Shoot. 3S is no joke. And you guys notice one thing, it didn't cog on 3S. That's crazy. All right, you. Thanks for watching.